Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Al's Vintage Toy Trains. I hope you're having a great week. First off, I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers out there to this channel. As of a couple of weeks ago, this channel has actually hit over 1,000 subscribers. I've dedicated this channel to vintage toy trains, covering primarily Lionel pre-war and post-war trains. And I started it out in about 2018. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this pre-war Lionel Standard Gauge Outfit number 403. So this outfit was one of the top-of-the-line sets that you could get in 1925, and it is headed by this twin-motored 402. If you actually put this thing in your hand, it's really something to behold as far as the weight and the heft. It's really a solid engine. It's about 17.5 inches long. The color is Mojave. This is back when you could manually control the direction of the engine. The little control lever on the front left there. 1925 and 1926 had a combo type coupler, so you've got a combo of hook and latch. That was only 1925 and 1926 for this 402 engine. It's got two lights, and there's different variations with the bell and the ornamental whistles and the celluloid on the lights. This dates it to about 1925. It's got 4 primary wheels, and again, twin motored, a lot of pulling power. Probably need it for the large cars. So these were the largest cars you could get at the time. These are the precursors to like your Blue Comet and your state sets. So these cars are about 18 inches long each. They're labeled as the New York Central lines. And we've got the combo car, which is a combination baggage and parlor car, number 419. We have the parlor car, number 418. And we have the observation car, which is number 490. And what kind of dates this to 1925 is the combination of the fact that it has the 6-wheel trucks. This is the first year, which is 1925, that these cars would have the 6-wheel trucks. Previous to that, they were 4-wheel trucks. The other thing is the simulated wood grain lithograph doors. So these doors are movable, and the earlier cars through 1925 would have this simulated wood grain. After 1925, I think they went to an all maroon type door. It kind of matches the trim in the windows. I also like the simulated stained glass. Like I said, these were top of the line for 1925. And, overall, this train is about 6 feet long. Catalog listed as 74.5 inches long. Let's go ahead and take the roof off. I've already taken the screws out, just so we can get a look at the interior. So it's illuminated. You've got seats that actually swivel. You can turn those by hand. And for 1925, a lot of detail, a lot of play value. And the parlor car has more seats in it. The combo car had space for luggage or baggage. These are illuminated, as you can see. And again, for 1925, this was really something as far as the weight and the heft and the size of these cars. We've got the observation car. This one has 2 bulbs, so again, you've got seating that swivels. In the back, you've got a red light. Kind of highlights the red discs in the back. And then at the back end, it says Lionel Limited. These are really neat cars and a neat set. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the catalog. So this is the 1925 catalog. Again, it lists it as the twin supermotor train outfits. So 403 was the passenger set on top. Really nice 2-page spread for these. Again, this is pretty much the top of the line set that you could get in 1925. The only engine that was slightly more than this one was the 480. So this set went for $60.75, which was a ton of money for 1925. And they also made this in a freight set. Alright, so there's the catalog, there's the train, and without further ado, we'll go ahead and put this in operation for you. It's a nice smooth runner. Like I said, it's about 6 feet long. I don't have a whole lot of space for a 6-foot train, but there's number 8 engine with a couple of passenger cars that are dwarfed in comparison to this large standard gauge set. Really just a marvel of work for 1925. And again, at $60.75. Probably out of reach for most parents at that time. And this would be the precursor to the State set and the Comet sets. It runs pretty slow. No crawl. Very smooth running. Hard to believe this set's almost 100 years old, about 98 years old. We've got 99. This is 2024. I don't have a whole lot of standard gauge. You'll see that I have just the 2 sets. Got the old number 8 from the late 1920s. And this 402, 403 set. 1925. And this is Al, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great night, everybody.